This is Idaho News 6.
Welcome back. Idaho News 6 is diving deeper into the barriers the Hispanic and Latino community face when receiving important information regarding the pandemic. Idaho News 6 reporter Stephanie Garibay spoke with the Idaho Commission on Hispanic Affairs about how essential Spanish radio stations are when it comes to reaching out to these families.
Although connecting to the Hispanic and Latino community may have its challenges, the Idaho Commission on Hispanic Affairs tells us they have been utilizing Spanish radio stations to reach as many people as possible.
There are radio stations throughout the state that are bilingual that can reach these communities. And you know, when this pandemic first hit, that was one of the first things that we did is start putting health experts on the radio to start answering questions and provide information to our Hispanic families.
One prominent problem faced throughout the pandemic was the language barrier. And even if Hispanic and Latino families received the information they needed, they may not be able to understand what is being said.
The communication between our educators and our families is critical. If you send a family an email describing what this year's plan is going to be, how sure are we that they're, number one, receiving the email, and two, that they're able to comprehend?
Margie tells us a majority of Hispanic and Latino families in Idaho listen to Spanish radio stations because that may be their only way of getting information in Spanish.
And it's the same with this, with the reopening of the schools. We need to utilize the radio stations to get this information out to our families, because I don't want to see a family not send their children to school because they're so panicked, but they can't help them at home either.
The Idaho Commission on Hispanic Affairs, along with the Idaho Statesman and Idaho Education News, recently hosted a conference to answer questions in Spanish for Hispanic and Latino parents about sending their kids back to school. In Twin Falls, I'm Stephanie Garibay, Idaho News.